Hi guys, my name is Sandra Nalin, the Bazooka Prophet, and today I'll be teaching you on another type of error called the systematic error, also called the determinate error. So sit and get the first straight. Now we should understand that systematic error arise from actual mistakes, and these mistakes can come from the use of faulty instrument or device, or from the analyst or observer. Now we should also understand that a systematic error, it can be readily avoided, and also the magnitude can be determined. Take note, the magnitude can be determined. Now, again, the examples under systematic error or determinate error are as follows. One, that we call the personal error, the instrumental error, reagent error, operational error, and so on and so forth. Now, in each of these examples, we'll talk about sub revelations about each of them. Now, when we have the word operational error, what do they include? Now, from the word operational error, some of the sub revelations on them include the wrong reading of your pipette or your burette, or your incomplete drying of precipitate. Take note, these examples fall under what we call operational error, of course. Now, the next one under the examples of systematic error is what we call personal error. Now, under personal error, they include the inability, from the word personal error. Now, they include the inability to judge color accurately. Now, when you are unable to judge color accurately to know whether this color change is pink or it is colorless, such type of error is a personal error under systematic error. Now, we also have the inability to accurately judge experimental error. Next, what we call instrumental error. Now, in under instrumental error, what are the examples? Now, under instrumental error, we have instrumental calibration failure. When you are having issues on how to calibrate your instruments that you are to use for a particular experiment, such error is an instrumental error under systematic error. We also have power fluctuation. When you're working in the lab and there is like there is on and off of like of the of light supply, it can also lead to what we call systematic error. We also have the use of faulty apparatus, which is very common in the lab. And we should understand that on the systematic error, they can be avoided, as I said earlier. And again, too, they can be corrected or minimized. For example, if I'm having a faulty error, like a faulty apparatus, to eliminate such an error is to get a new one. Lastly is reagent error. Now, under reagent error, it involves the impure or contaminated reagent, and the list go on and on. So we should understand that this systematic error take a huge play in our daily. In fact, it is very, very common, and the good thing about it is that it can be eliminated or minimized. For now, this is all under systematic error. In the last episode is a random error. Please, if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, and please share this video. For now, God bless you.